Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup AWS RDS to S3 using AWS DMS, full guide step by step clearly. First, log into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the AWS Database Migration Service, also known as DMS. In the DMS dashboard, click on Database Migration Tasks. Select Create Task to start a new migration task. You will need to choose your source database. Select the RDS instance that you want to backup. Next, define your target endpoint. Choose S3 as your target for the backup. You will need to create an S3 bucket if you haven't done so already. Make sure you set the correct permissions for your S3 bucket. Fill in the necessary details for the S3 endpoint in DMS. After specifying the endpoints, you will be asked to configure the migration task settings. Set the migration type to full load. This will ensure that the entire database is backed up to S3. You can choose to include certain tables or exclude them based on your requirements. Next, set the specific format for your backup files in S3. You can choose formats like CSV or Parquet based on your needs. Once you have configured the task, review your settings. Make sure all details are correct before moving forward. After verifying the configuration, click on Create Task. Your migration task is now ready and should start automatically. Monitor the progress of the task in the DMS console. You can view logs to check for any errors during the backup process. Once the task is completed, navigate to your S3 bucket. Verify that the backup files have been created and stored correctly. To ensure data integrity, you may want to download and inspect a few files. Congratulations, you have successfully backed up your AWS RDS to S3 using AWS DMS. You can now set up a schedule for regular backups if desired. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.